Wow, so LeVar Ball actually responded to Michael Jordan saying that he couldn't beat him one-on-one on one leg. So LeVar Ball actually responded, well, let me correct that. So the Big Baller Brand official Twitter, I think is ran by LeVar Ball. I mean, right now the ZO2s ain't being silent, so I don't think LeVar Ball has the money to hire somebody. But I mean, Lonzo has been rolling in a Rolls Royce and LiAngelo has been rolling in a Ferrari. So I mean, they got money to hire somebody to run their Twitter. But I'm saying LeVar Ball responded because obviously they had to run it through LeVar Ball. And the official Big Baller Brand Twitter said, Michael, you versus LeVar one-on-one, you with one leg, LeVar with one arm. And they said he has to be on pay-per-view. Let's make it happen. You won't. So they're saying that Michael Jordan is gonna back down. They're doing too much. Now Michael Jordan is the greatest trash talker in NBA history. He would talk trash and he would beat you. And now that Michael Jordan is a lot older, who do you guys think would win? LeVar Ball with one arm or Michael Jordan on one leg? It'll be funny to watch. I bet LeVar Ball is gonna say, you know what, Michael Jordan said he can beat me on one leg. You know what, I can beat Michael Jordan with no legs. Cut my legs off and I can still beat MJ. Knowing LeVar Ball, that's something he would say. He's probably gonna say, you know what, MJ, you said you can beat me on one leg, blindfold me and let me show Michael Jordan what I can do. LeVar Ball gonna be like, Jordan, you don't want none of this. At the same time, I don't want to see Michael Jordan get embarrassed like this. To me, let's just see a one-on-one. Everyone has their legs, everyone has their arms, and let's see who would win. But tell me who you think would win in that situation if MJ was using one leg and LeVar was using one arm. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'm out.